Okay, this is Joe. Hi, Joe. Okay, this over here is Buddy. And this over here is Pierre. This over here is Mongo. And Miracle, Danny, Frankie. Hi, Frankie. Sunshine. Over here we have Paco. And over here we have Phil and Lilo, Cupcake, Bunny. Hi, Bunny. Over here we have Mello. Hi, Mello. Hi, Mello. And over here we have Moonlight with Mello. Over here we have Spot and Woody. And over here we have Manny. Hi, Manny. Over here we have Elsie. And over here we have Sick. And Bo. Over here we have Jimmy. And Timmy. Hi, Timmy. Over here we have Cutie. And over here we have Twinkie. Monica. She's the less tame one from all of them, as far as I know. These are my birdies. Hi, Kaylin.